Today, you train a real machine learning model. Not a toy, and not just a diagram. Actual working code, 10 lines of Python, from raw data all the way to a working prediction. Let's build it, one line at a time. Here is our problem. We asked 11 students how many hours they studied for an exam, and we recorded their scores. Each dot is one student. More study time generally means a higher score, but not perfectly. Now a new student walks in and asks, I studied 7.5 hours. What score should I expect? Our model is going to answer that. Every machine learning project follows the same 6 steps. Load the data. Look at it. Split it into training and test sets. Train the model. Make predictions. And evaluate how good they are. Remember this shape. It is the workflow you will use in every project from now on, from exam scores today, to house prices later in the course. First, the toolbox. Line 1 imports pandas, the library that handles our data table. Lines 2 and 3 bring in scikit-learn, a linear regression model, and a helper that splits data into groups. 3 lines, and every tool we need is loaded and ready. Line 4 loads the data. Pandas reads the file and hands us a data frame, a table with 1 row per student, and 1 column per measurement. 11 rows, 2 columns. Hours studied, and exam score. Each row in this table is 1 dot on our chart. Line 5 separates the question from the answer. X holds the hours studied, the feature, the information the model gets to see. And Y holds the exam scores, the answers we want it to learn. Features in, answers out. This X and Y pattern shows up in every supervised learning project you will ever write. Line 6 splits our students into 2 groups. Most of them become training data, the examples the model learns from. The rest are held back as test data, shown here in yellow. The model never sees them while it is learning. They are the final exam. The honest check that tells us whether the model truly learned the pattern. Lines 7 and 8 are where learning happens. Line 7 creates a fresh linear regression model. Line 8 calls fit, handing it the training data. Inside that one call, the model adjusts its line again and again, shrinking the gap to the training points, until it settles on the best fit it can find. That single word, fit, is the entire training loop. Line 9 asks the honest question. How good is it? The model predicts a score for each held-out test student, students it has never seen before. Then we compare its predictions to reality. A score of 1.0 would be perfect. Ours lands above 0.9, the model has clearly captured the pattern, not memorized the students. And now, the payoff. Line 10 asks the model about our new student. 7.5 hours of study. The prediction comes back, about 78 points. That is the complete loop. The model learned from data, proved itself on the test set, and answered a brand new question. Step back and look at what you wrote. 10 lines. Load, look, split, train, predict, evaluate. The entire machine learning workflow, working end to end. Every project in this course builds on exactly this shape. In the next module, we dig into the data itself. Features, labels, and what makes a dataset good. See you there.